In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage multiple devices with Ledger Live. Now, if you need any Ledger devices, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment to get the official Ledger for the best prices as well as some bonus Bitcoin, and you'll also support my channel that way. Now, when you are inside Ledger Live over here and you likely have only one Ledger connected and you'd like to connect a separate one to actually manage multiple devices, go ahead and click at the very top right where it says Settings. Go to Help, and then here click on the Launch where it says Device Setup, and you can set up a new device. So click Launch, and then just select the device you have, and then just go through the setup process over here, and you can continue and just go through like you did the first time you did it, okay? So whenever you actually do this and come to the very end of the setup, you'll then have two Ledger devices set up inside your Ledger Live, and you'll be able to see them under My Ledger over here. You'll be able to manage them, etc. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.